In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Tasks. By the end, you'll be able to quickly make an exact copy of any task so you can reuse it as a template, keep variations side by side, or save yourself from rebuilding the same checklist over and over. To start, open your browser and head to tasksboard.com. Tasksboard is a web app that gives you a clear, board-style view of your Google tasks. If you're asked to sign in, use the Google account that holds the tasks you want to work with. Once it loads, you're looking at your existing Google tasks, nothing new to set up, and any changes you make here will reflect in Google Tasks on your other devices. Next, navigate to the area where your task lives. You'll see your task list in the sidebar, including the default My Tasks list. Click into the list you want to work in so the tasks appear in the main panel. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place. Duplicating is immediate and it helps to be on the exact list you intend to use. If you recently added a task on another device and don't see it yet, refresh the page so everything is up to date. Now find the task you want to copy and select it. You can click the task once to highlight it or open its details. Look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Depending on your view, those dots may appear on the task card itself or in the top corner of the task's detail pane. Make sure you're opening the options for the specific task, not the list as a whole. From that menu, click Duplicate Task. Tasksboard will instantly create a copy in the same list. You'll see two versions of the task typically next to each other. The duplicate will mirror the original, carrying over things like the title and description, and often the due date and subtasks as well. Take a quick glance to confirm the details look right. The two tasks are now independent. Changing one won't affect the other, which is exactly what you want when using a task as a starting point for a new project or a repeatable checklist. That's all there is to it. Open Tasksboard, go to the correct list, select the task, and open the three-dot menu, then choose Duplicate Task. Use this whenever you need a fast copy of a well-structured task. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking.